First clip of the day. Rascal put him on the move. In the afternoon, old man still punching him. They jumped him over on this side. They got him over on that bank. Hit the mess. Wind is strongly blowing the sand right away. There you go. There you go. Come on, stay on in there. Go ahead, rabbit, what you got? Come on, Ronnie. There you go. Pretty sure he crossed the road down there. Got him in the bag. Wind was washing down. Loose up across there. Look like that. Doubt it ain't never come off the hill yet. They're putting it. They're running. Windy afternoon. It's thick and wetty. I'll cut it off till I get them down to here a little bit. They're getting down to her. He's trying to cross back over right here. Well, I figured he was going to try to do. He's coming back off the face of the hill right there right now. I figured he'd try to cross back somewhere through here. Get up to him, son. Quit lagging behind. I don't know. Rascal got over on the face of the hill and Harris got there. Lady got it. Lady. There you go, my girl. Right away, my girl.